in China, just in time for the Dragon Festival. We're going to do a dragon dance today. How do you like my dragon? So, I'm going to show your parents just how to make a dragon so that you can be a dragon too. Okay. Do you know where the dragons live? The dragons all live in China, over here. So cool. Let's do the dragon dance. For the dragon dance, you're going to need some friends at home because we're going to make a dragon train. And we're going to make a train and chug, chug, chug all around the space. And when the music stops, we've got to roar. And all of your friends have to roar as well. Roar! Come along, friends! Come along, friends! Are you ready for the dragon?